Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration and bathroom and kitchen. So if you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So let's start. You can see this bathroom is very expensive bathroom, and you can see this one also the normal bathroom, but no problem. It's big problem, but no problem. It's okay bathroom. This is also big problem. Okay, it's a small bathroom. Okay, and you can see this one also the mirror. You can see good mirror. It is also good mirror. The up lamp. The decoration is beautiful. You can see this one also the mirror backside and the lamp. You can see looking beautiful, and you can see the bathroom also. Maybe washing hand and all, looking beautiful. And you can see this one also the bed and the pillows and the plants, small plants, looking beautiful, looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also the bed looking beautiful and the pillows and everything looking beautiful. It is small, but it is okay for living. And you can see this is also a small room and not much good, but okay. Okay, the decoration is maybe not okay. I don't like the decoration. You can see the backside light also looking good. You can see this one also a normal. It is but okay for the a person who can live alone. Leave me alone, please leave me alone. So you can see this picture. The laptop is there, and the photos you can see different photos or someone's birthday. So they put like this. You can see this one also the moon and the LED lights. They're looking very beautiful. And you can see and you can see this one also the beautiful decoration, which maybe this you can see this one also very good, looking good. The lights and the pillow and the uplights looking very beautiful, looking good also. And you can see this one also the wings, like lights, good, looking good. You can see the photos and all looking very beautiful. Decoration is very beautiful looking decoration. And you can see this one also maybe kitchen or kitchen, yeah, kitchen. The items are there. You can see fridge and the coffee shop looking very beautiful. You can see this one also maybe for studying, online class, reading, and you can do teach someone and do anything, looking good. And this is also a kitchen. You can see up the coffee and the coffee jug is there, and you can see down freezer is there. And you can see this one, and you can see this one, the LED lights. You can see looking beautiful. And you can see this one also. This is also good. If you guys like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you.